you. It's 364 here. Hello, my news crew and I are here We're having technical difficulties. Just a second. My news crew and I are here in Blizzard Nemo, and it's really cold, and there's a 60% chance that it's already snowing and stuff, and it's really cold outside, and I don't have a ruler, but we're gonna pick up the snow with my already freezing hands. Yep, we have a lot. We have a lot of snow. We're in a blizzard! We're in a damn blizzard! This is the umbrella lady, she sucks. Come on, let's go inside.
Right,
Puff the magic dragon. Puff the magic